Hello everybody, welcome back to another exciting circle time session with me. So first, let's start with our weekdays. We have 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So total there are 7 days in a week. Now let's also learn the spellings of our weekdays. Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. So children, these are the weekdays with spellings. Now next, let's learn the months of the year. Tell me, how many months are there in a year and what are they? There are 10 and 2, 12 months in a year. How many months are there in a year, children? Yes, there are 12 months in a year. And what are they? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So total there are 12 months in a year. Now let's start with our number names. 1 to 10. O-N-E-1, O-N-E-1. T-W-O-2, T-W-O-2, T-W-O-2. T-H-R-E-E-3, T-H-R-E-E-3. 4. F-O-U-R-4, F-O-U-R-4, F-O-U-R-4. 5. F-I-V-E, 5, F-I-V-E, 5, F-I-V-E, 5. 6. S-I-X, 6, S-I-X, 6, S-I-X, 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. E-I-G-H-T, 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Nine. N-I-N-E. Nine. N-I-N-E. Nine. N-I-N-E. Nine. Ten. T-E-N. Ten. T-E-N. Ten. T-E-N. Ten. So children, these are the number names 1 to 10. Now, let me show you the capital and small alphabet. Capital A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So children, now that I showed you all the alphabet A to Z capital letters, now I will randomly show you a letter and I want you to guess them. So let's start. Guess which letter is this one, children? Very good. N. And this is Q. Letter U. Very good. And which letter is this one, children? This is letter I. Can you guess this letter? This is letter Z. Now can you guess? Can you guess this letter? Letter M. Very good. Can you guess this letter? This is letter D. Now can you guess this letter? This is letter P. And this is U. And which letter is this one, children? E. Very good. Guess this letter. Letter B. Which letter is this one? This is letter K. Letter P. Guess. This is letter S. Very good. Which letter is this? Letter N. Which letter is this? Recognize the letter, children. Letter J. And this is G. Which letter is this one? Recognize. Letter O. Very good. And this is letter W. Very good, children. Well done. Now that you can identify and recognize all the capital letters, let's go to the small letters. So children, here I am going to show you all the small case letters. Small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h, small I, Small J. Small K. Small L. Small M. Small N. Small O. Small P. Small Q. Small R. Small S. Small T. Small U. Small V. Small W. Small X. Small Y. And small Z. So children, now that you have learnt all the small case letters, I will randomly show you a letter and I want you to guess them. So let's start. Guess children, which small case letter is this? This is letter M. Small U. Small F. Small C. Recognize the small case letter children. This is small T. This is small J. Small B. Small P. Small V. This is small C. Small A. Recognize the small case letter S. Very good. Small N. Which small case letter is this one? This is letter K. Small E. Small R. Very good children. You are all doing great. This is a small W. So children, now that you know recognizing small case letters and uppercase letters, let's move on to the next topic. Today we would revise our national symbols. Children, tell me. This is our India map. This is our nation. India is our nation. This is our national animal. Tiger is our national animal. And here this is a peacock. Peacock is our national bird. And what is our national tree, children? Our national tree is banyan tree. This is our national emblem. The lion, capital of Ashoka. This is our national game, hockey. Did you see this one, children? This is our national flag, tricolor flag. And here this is our national currency symbol, rupee. And our national fruit is mango. So children, these are all our national symbols. So children, hope you have really enjoyed this session along with me today. So see you again in the next class. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you. Bye children.